Hello, today I wanted to share an example of mixing a FR unit with pixels. In our example, the third column, this one, it is defined using pixels. And the way this works is in our scenario, the third column, this one, it will be first calculated by the browser. So out of all these three, the third column will be first calculated by the browser, and then that space will be subtracted from the available space. After that, the first and the second columns will be calculated using FR units. And also, please note that we didn't create any rows, as they would be created automatically as we add content, and then they would be also auto-sized. This is called implicit grid. So let's take a look at the code. Here we have our div with the class grid, which is our container. So we can remove or add divs just to see how it works. So also what's here, div 5, it has more content. And let's look at the CSS. CSS is also pretty straightforward. We have our universal selector, which selects all elements on the page, and then it tells the browser to include any border and padding into final calculation of the width or the height of the HTML element on the page. You can Google what it does. Just Google box size in border box. Then we have our body with the padding 15 pixel. And then we have our grid container. Here, this is where we declare our columns. This is the first column, this is the second, and this is the third. Okay. We also gave grid gap, width 750 pixel. Let's see what happens if we do not fixed widths, but say like again, because with fixed widths, it's not gonna shrink. It doesn't get responsive. So let's see what happens here. Let's say let's do it like 50%. I'm just going to try to resize the window. Okay, nothing happens. And this is because of that fixed widths, I guess. Let's check. Let's see if we do this like to FR. Let's refresh. Oh, we just need to refresh. Okay. So this is with 2FR, but let's go back to that 250 pixel. Let's see what happens. So we just switch it back to 250 and see how the grid would behave. Okay, yeah, so it behaves as expected. So as you can see, this pixel, this is the first and the second one, it gets, like it adjusts to based on the space, but the third column, you see it doesn't change. So yeah, so this is just to show that we can use fixed widths in one of the columns in case if you need it in your design, and you can also inspect this also via the web dev tools. Let's see here. Okay, this is our grid. And let's see here. So the third, I think it's somewhere here. The divs, so we're on a, yeah, this is our 250 pixel. It's on every third. I guess it's going to be every third 250, and then let's see. No, this is FR because it the calculated widths, and then again calculated widths to FR, and then 250. Okay, I guess it's it looks like it's making it every third div here. But yeah, that's all, guys, I wanted to share with you today. And as always, thank you for watching.